Next one is your email tracking pixel placed at the top of the email. So if I go back to email tracker position, so the default is at the bottom of the email content. You want to set it to top of email content, because if you set it to trigger at the bottom of an email, if it's a very long email and it gets truncated and there's a lot of clipping happening and someone's network is slow and they don't load the entire email, the tracking pixel might not fire and you might have some missing data within your Klaviyo data or reports. So it's best to just set it at the top, because usually an email loads from top to bottom. So there's a higher likelihood of the pixel getting loaded. So mark that. Next one is your metrics. Okay, your added to cart and your viewed product metrics. Are they set up correctly and are they working? Okay, especially when you've got a Shopify integration into Klaviyo. So you go to analytics, you go to metrics, and immediately type in viewed product, go into that metric, and then look to see if you have spotted triggers for the last 7 days. You can see here it is triggering correctly every single day, so it seems to be working fine. In many cases, we see flat lines of the data here. That means that the metric or the tracking of this is broken. It could be on the Shopify theme side of things. It could be that the code has been implemented incorrectly. So look at that to see if it's working. Right, it's fine there.